Hello guys, welcome back. Our Underdesk Pedal Exerciser is a compact and convenient way to stay active while working or relaxing. Ideal for improving circulation, burning calories, and strengthening muscles, these devices fit easily under most desks. Here are the top 5 best Underdesk pedal exercises for efficiency, durability, and comfort. For more information, like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. And let's get started. Number 5. Desk Cycle 2 Underdesk Bike Pedal Exerciser. The Desk Cycle 2 Underdesk Bike Pedal Exerciser is a premium low-impact workout solution designed for home or office use. With its ultra-smooth, whisper-quiet magnetic resistance system, it allows you to exercise without disturbing others. The 8 resistance levels range from easy to challenging, making it ideal for all fitness levels. Its adjustable pedal height, 9 to 10 inches, ensures compatibility with desks as low as 27 inches. The large LCD display tracks speed, time, distance, and calories burned for effective progress monitoring. The Desk Cycle 2 also features a durable, sturdy build, ensuring long-lasting performance. Whether you're looking to stay active while working or improve circulation, this Underdesk bike provides a seamless and efficient way to stay fit. Number 4. Vaughan Medical Folding Pedal Exerciser. The Vaughan Medical Folding Pedal Exerciser is a compact, lightweight, and foldable exercise machine designed for low-impact workouts. Ideal for improving circulation, muscle strength, and joint flexibility, it is perfect for both arm and leg exercises. Featuring a sturdy yet lightweight frame, it easily folds for storage or portability. The exerciser comes with a smooth and quiet pedal motion, making it ideal for use at home or in the office without distractions. Its adjustable resistance knob allows users to customize their workout intensity, catering to different fitness levels. The non-slip rubber feet provide stability, preventing unwanted movement during exercise. Whether for rehabilitation or general fitness, the Vaughan Medical Folding Pedal Exerciser is a practical and reliable choice. Number 3. FlexCycle Underdesk Exercise Bike. The FlexCycle Underdesk Exercise Bike is a premium pedal exerciser designed for smooth, low-impact workouts at home or in the office. Featuring 8 resistance levels, it allows users to customize their workout intensity, making it suitable for all fitness levels. The whisper, quiet motor ensures distraction-free use, while the sturdy, non-slip base keeps it securely in place during pedaling. Its compact design fits easily under most desks, allowing users to stay active while working or watching TV. The LCD display tracks time, speed, distance, and calories burned, helping users monitor progress. With adjustable pedals for added comfort and a durable build, the FlexCycle is an excellent choice for improving circulation, strengthening muscles, and staying fit effortlessly. Number 2. Desk Cycle Ellipse Underdesk Elliptical. The Desk Cycle Ellipse. Underdesk Elliptical is a premium low-impact exercise machine designed for effortless pedaling while sitting. Featuring ultra-smooth magnetic resistance, it offers whisper-quiet operation, making it perfect for home or office use without disturbing others. The large, non-slip pedals support forward and reverse motion, allowing you to target different muscle groups. With 8 resistance levels, you can easily adjust the intensity to suit your fitness needs. The built-in LCD display tracks time, speed, distance, and calories burned for real-time progress monitoring. Its compact, ergonomic design ensures a comfortable workout experience, even under low desks. Ideal for improving circulation, burning calories, and staying active throughout the day, the Desk Cycle Ellipse is perfect for anyone looking to incorporate movement into their routine. Number 1. Wakeman Portable Fitness Stationary Underdesk Bike. The Wakeman Portable Fitness Stationary. Underdesk bike is a compact and efficient way to stay active while sitting. Designed for both low-impact leg and arm workouts, it helps improve circulation, tone muscles, and boost endurance. With an adjustable resistance knob, you can customize your workout intensity, making it suitable for all fitness levels. The LCD display tracks time, distance, calories burned, and revolutions per minute (RPM), helping you monitor progress easily. Its lightweight and portable design allows for easy transport and storage, perfect for home, office, or rehabilitation use. The non-slip pedals and secure straps provide stability, ensuring a safe workout experience. Stay fit and active effortlessly with the Wakeman Portable Fitness Stationary Underdesk Bike. So guys, that's all for the top 5 best underdesk pedal exerciser. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more videos. We will meet in next video. Till then, take care, bye.